Hello friends, welcome to this video. Our topic is subnetting. It is very interesting topic. First of all, what is subnetting? Subnetting is a process of dividing network into two or more subnetworks. Here we will see the example for subnetworks. Here given network is 192.168.5.0. Here we have to create 6 subnetworks following, in which first subnet has 128 hosts, second has 64 hosts, third has 32 hosts, and 4, 5 and 6 subnet has 4 hosts in each. Here let's take a look for class. We know that IPv4 address is 32 bits, so in class A there is a 8 bit for network and 24 bit host. Class B has 16 bit for network and 16 bit for host. Class C has 24 bit for network and 8 bit for host. Here this is a network range. Class A starting from 0 to 127, class B 128 to 191, and class C 192 to 223, class D 224 to 239, and class E 240 to 255. Here our network is starting from 192, so it is in class C. So there is in class C 24 bit for network and 8 bit for host. Here we will create first subnetwork. We have to create 24 hosts, so 128 equal to 2 raised to 7, so we need 7 bit for host, so we will borrow 1 bit from host. Here we borrow 1 bit from host, so we convert into decimal, so it becomes 255.255.255.128. This is subnet mask for this network, and this is the network starting from 192.168.5.0 to 192.168.5.127. This is our first subnetwork. Vice versa, this is second subnet. Here we have to create 64 hosts, so 2 raised to 6 equal to 64. Here we require 6 bit for host, so we will borrow 2 bit from host. Here this is 2 bit, and this is the subnet mask for second network, and this is the network range for second network. Here this is third network. There is a 32 host, so 2 raised to 5 equal to 32, so we require 5 bit for host, so we will borrow 3 bit from host. Here is a 3 bit, so this is our subnet mask, and this is our network range starting from 192.168.5.192 to 192.168.5.223. Here 32 hosts, so 32 hosts in each network, so we add 192 plus 32, it becomes 223. Okay, and vice versa, this is for network. We have to create 4 hosts, so 2 raised to 2 equal to 4, so we will borrow 6 bit from host. This is 6 bit, and this will become our subnet mask, and this is our network. Vice versa, 5th subnet and 6th subnet. And the last question is, why we do subnetting? What is the need for subnetting? The main purpose of subnetting is to help relieve network congestion. It decreases the network traffic and packet collision, and also it helps you maintain clear separation within the networks, and it improves network security, network performance, and more or few. You can add more or few IP address per subnetwork. Thank you friends, this is my first video on YouTube. Please like and share.